Student, we are from 9th standard studying Science and Technology Part 1. In the last period, from first chapter, that is motion, we have studied displacement and distance, and in this video we are going to learn speed and velocity as well as its formulae and effects on velocity. First of all, before this speed and velocity, you have to know what is the meaning of vectors and scalars. What is vectors? Sadish Rashi. Scalars, Adish Rashi. Vectors, these physical quantities can be expressed with magnitude and direction. That means for vectors there is a required magnitude and direction, but scalars can be expressed without direction, that means by only magnitude. These are scalars, and which requires direction, those are vectors. म्हणजे ज्यांना दिशेची गरज आहे, व्यक्त होण्यासाठी दिशेची गरज आहे, त्यांना वेक्टर्स म्हणजे सदिश म्हणतात. आणि ज्यांना केवळ मॅग्निट्यूड म्हणजेच त्याचं परिमाण एवढं झालं की ती व्यक्त होते, त्याला म्हणतात अदिश राशी, दॅट मीन्स स्केलार्स. एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ दीज वेक्टर्स आर velocity, displacement, force, weight, momentum, electric field and acceleration. These are the examples of vectors. And the examples of scalars are mass, time, volume, speed, temperature, area, energy, frequency, work, etc. These are the examples of scalars. First of all, see this formula for speed. What is speed as well as its definition? Total distance traveled divided by time, that is speed. Total distance traveled by that object in particular time, that is speed. Total distance traveled in any direction or path by that object. This speed is related to distance. It is important thing. Speed is related to distance. That means speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by time required. But the velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. We know that. What is displacement? It is related with velocity. Velocity is related with displacement. Displacement upon time, that is velocity. That means the distance traveled in a particular direction. That means there is direction required per unit time, or an object in unit time, that is velocity. That means velocity required direction, speed does not require direction. That is, in speed total distance is considered, and in velocity displacement is considered. The unit of speed and velocity is same in both system, that is SI system and CGS system. In SI system, unit of speed is meter per second, and unit of velocity is also meter per second. And in CGS system, unit of speed is centimeter per second, and unit of velocity is also centimeter per second. That means the unit of speed and velocity is same in both the systems. Speed is nothing but velocity. But when this speed is nothing but velocity, but when motion is along the straight line, जर मोशन एका स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये असेल, सरळ रेषेमध्ये असेल, तेव्हा स्पीड आणि वेलोसिटी समान असतात. That means speed is equal to velocity only when the motion is along the straight line. Effect of speed and direction on velocity. These speed and direction effects on velocity. We are going to see this video when velocity is affected by speed and direction. See here, these cars are traveling in the same direction but change in speed. Direction is same but changing the speed, at that time velocity changes. That means if the speed is changing, velocity changes, even the direction is same. Here the direction is different but speed is same, then also velocity changes. Direction is different. This car is in this direction moving and this car is moving in this direction. Also velocity changes by changing the speed as well as direction. This car is changing its speed and direction. See here. Car is changing its speed as well as direction. At that time this velocity changes. That means velocity changes, even the speed is changed or direction is changed or both is changing. That means speed and direction changes, at that time velocity changes. The first scientist to measure speed as the distance upon time was Galileo. Galileo हा पहिला शास्त्रज्ञ होता की ज्यानं स्पीड मोजलेला आहे आणि ते कसं, डिस्टन्स भागिले टाइम या सूत्राच्या सहाय्याने. द स्पीड ऑफ साऊंड in dry air is 343.2 meter per second. You have to remember this. The speed of sound in dry air, that is 343.2 meter per second, while the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. म्हणजेच 3 लाख किलोमीटर साधारणपणे हे स्पीड आहे, प्रकाशाचा वेग आहे. The speed of revolution of earth around the sun, सूर्याभोवती पृथ्वी फिरते त्याची गती 29,770 मीटर पर सेकंद इतकं आहे. थँक्यू.